Hello everyone. In this video, we will find the solution for the problem which says a particle is projected with a speed u at an angle theta with the horizontal. Consider a small part of its path near the highest position and take it approximately to be a circular arc. What is the radius of this circle? This radius is called the radius of curvature of the curve at that point. So we have to calculate the radius of curvature at this particular point. Fine. So the given data is initial velocity is u and it is projected at an angle theta. So at any instant we know that the horizontal velocity is u cos theta and initially the vertical velocity will be u sine theta. But at the highest point the velocity will be equal to only vx component, which is nothing but u cos theta, and the acceleration at this particular time is only due to gravity, which is equal to g. And we know the relation of rc, which is radius of curvature, is nothing but equal to v square upon a perpendicular. Here this a perpendicular is perpendicular to velocity, right? So simply we can get the value of rc here. V is u cos theta whole square upon a perpendicular is g, so that means radius of curvature will become u square cos square theta upon g. So this is the solution of this problem.